Hello, welcome to Julijetek tutorial. Today we are very happy to bring to you this powerful AI tool. Yes, you are going to love it because it is free for you to use it to generate your video. Don't worry, you are going to get free credit every day for you to use to create your video. We don't want to waste your time. Just head over to your browser. This is my Chrome already. Yes, this is my Chrome. Just head over to your browser and type Arena AI. Yes, look at it here. Arena AI. Then check the logo very well and see whether they are the same with mine. Then click on the first link. All right. Yes, this is Julijetek tutorial. Please continue to watch this video to the end because you are going to love it. Follow the step closely. Don't skip any part so that you become pro in video editing and using AI tools. Our aim is for you to be better every day. Please comment on the comment section whether you like this video. All right. This is the interface of Arena AI. Yes. In this section here, you are going to see Ask Anything. The first page, they are going to tell you what will you like to do. Yes, what will you like to do? Some would like to create videos, some would like to generate pictures. Yes, but the first thing that we want to do here, just go right here. Yes, right here. You need to log in. Where you can log in is down here. You can see I already log in mine. You can log in down there. All right, I will still show you a few things. There are some buttons down here. I'll still show you a few things for you to know. Now, if you click, we are someone that used to do coding. Maybe you used to code, you generate website. You can click on this one. This one. Yes, this one right here. If you click on it, you will see how you can do so. All right. Now look at this circle down here. You know what it means. It means search, like Google search or any type of search. You can search inside this Arena AI. But we want to focus on two of these features in Arena. This one and this one. Yes, image and video. You want to generate image and generate video. Yes, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Please like our channel and subscribe to our channel. This is Julijetek tutorial. All right, let's begin. First of all, I'm going to generate image. Yes, what you just need to do, click on this. Already you know that is the image symbol. Please click on it. Then it's going to tell you describe the image you want to generate. Yes, now we are going to put in the prompt of our image. If you have any prompt that you want to put in, just put in the prompt of your image. Now this is a prompt that we put in: an African dancer performing at night. Yes, please read through. We are not going to read with you. That is the prompt. We are going to send this prompt to generate our image. Yes, it's loading. Assistant A and Assistant B. So this Arena AI is going to give you two options, both video and image that you are generating. At least one of them, you'll love it. Yes, if it is video, you are going to see the video that you love so much. This is A assistant and this is B assistant. Anyone that you just love. Okay, for me, I like this. Yes, I like this one. Yes, I still love the two. I love the two, but we are going to go with this one. We are going to go with this one. Anyone that you love, just click here. A is what? Better, because you are going to help Arena AI to bring out more features. In case you search for something like this in the future, it's going to bring out better one. Yes, just click on it. And I want to tell you this first. This image that we want to generate, this Arena AI has the ability in lip sync. If you put in a picture, any talking image or postcard image you want to put in, then you give it a voiceover. Of course, if you want to describe, you need to first of all write a voice. Let's say, for example, now we are on a video mode. Then you want to describe your image. You need to first of all write voiceover, voiceover, and put in this hyphen, put in, then space bar, then put in that voiceover. If you put in that voiceover, then you close it with, if you close it, then describe the video, how you want the camera to move, how you want the person to speak calmly, confidently, with loud voice. You describe it down there. Then you now send. I'm saying this in aspect of if you want to create a video. This is picture. If you want to create a video, you can put in those things. It's going to lip sync. It will be like a real human. Yes, I bring to you what you will love. So let's head over to this image. Now we want to download it. You can download it here. As you can see, then we are downloading our image. All right, I want to tell you this too. Arena AI can generate both video and image only 3 times. You have only 3 chances to generate your video or image in the particular account that you are using. You have only 3 chances, but it is free. You can wait for another 24 hours to generate. Yes, you can wait for another 24 hours to generate your image or your video. So we have already created our image using these prompts. Now let's go back. As you are going back, we want to use that image to create video. We want to use that image to create video. Now this is the video button. You click on it, right? If you click on it, look at what we are going to do. We are going to use this picture that we generated, and we will head over to ChatGTP. Yes, ChatGTP. We are heading over to ChatGTP. Just click this plus button here. Yes, click on it and click on file. Then we are going to add in the image. Then we can say, give me a short prompt for this image. All right, ChatGPT will give us a short prompt. Of course, you have a prompt for your video and how you want to create it. So I'm just using this as an example to show you how you can create videos using Arena AI. All right, let's copy this. Let's copy and head over to Arena AI. So we are here. We are already in our video mode. You can see this is our video mode. We are already there. What you have to do, click on this icon and put in your picture that you already downloaded or generated with this Arena AI. All right, put in that prompt that you copy from ChatGPT. Look at it here. So let's see what it will give us. Then you now send. As you can see, it's loading both assistant A and assistant B. You are going to love at least one. It's going to fit into what you want. Please, let's give it a little time. We'll be right back. All right, our video is ready. All right, before I play this video, please put it on a comment section after I play this video. I like assistant A or I like assistant B. All right, put it there. Please, I want to also tell you this for free. If you don't know how to prompt, please go and watch a video on how to prompt. We already posted a video on how to prompt. Watch it to the end so that you can know how to prompt, because Arena AI will give you what you want. But if you make a mistake, that means your 1 chance has gone. But if you make a second mistake, your 2 chance has gone. Arena AI only have 3 chance to go, but it will give you what you want. Okay, let's play our video and see what we have here. All right, tell me if you do not like this video, and if you are downloading this video, you send to your any of the editor, either CapCut or VN editor that you are familiar using. You can cut out this part. Yes, this part. You can trim it and cut out this part if you are editing it. All right, let's watch this one. Which one do you like? Is it assistant A or assistant B? At least one of them, you'll love it. So that is how to use Arena. You generate your image and use the image to generate your video, as we did here in this video. Okay, keep practicing and continue to learn each step that we teach in this lesson. We just mentioned Arena AI. We bring to you powerful AI tools that will help you to generate your video for free. This is Julijetek tutorial. Thank you for being with us, and keep learning, keep creating your video with confidence until we see you in our next class.